How to create logo in Canva using phone. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Canva. And as you can see, that this is the interface of the app. Click search right here at the top and type logo, right? And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just start looking for the search results right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and click the logo right here, right? And as you can see, you will see many templates that you can use for your own for your own product or for your own channel or whatever. So basically just go ahead, let's say for example I'm going to choose this one, the black and gold, right on the left, and as you can see that will direct me to the workshop. Click right here. If you wanted to edit the C, right, and the K, you can just go ahead and do it. I'm going to just type right here C, right? I'm going to just, instead of the K, I'm going to just type L, right, like a logo company, right? And you can choose right here and click the text, and you can change it to whatever, like logo company, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and then hit done right here. And as you can see, let me just get back to the correction, right? Company name, right? Hit done. And as you can see, local company, and simple as that. If you want to change the color of the background, just go ahead and click the background, click the color right here, and change it to whatever color that you actually prefer. And I'm gonna just keep it that way. And if you want to choose another colors, just go ahead and to changing it to another colors, and then hit cancel after you change the color. Okay, but just after you finish, now you've selected your perfect logo, click the save at the top right here, and you're gonna be able to save it for free on your phone. Let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.